this video, let us hear a real life story. Once upon a time, in a land called Travancore in South India, there lived a clever man named J.P. Subramania Iyer. He was just an ordinary insurance officer, but his heart was brimming with ideas that would change the world. Now, in those days, there was a problem. Have you ever seen water taps on the side of the road? Well, those taps would often be left open and water would flow and flow as if it had nowhere else to go. It made Subramania Iyer quite sad to see so much water being wasted. He thought, what if there was a way to stop the water from flowing when we are done using it? Subramania Iyer was not like other people. He didn't just sit around wishing for things to change. Instead, he decided to do something about it. He talked to his friends who knew a lot about building things, and together they came up with a fantastic idea. They called it the Jaison Water Tap, named up after J.P. Subramania Iyer's son Jaison. You might wonder what was so special about this tap. Well, this tap was no ordinary tap. It would close itself after you used it. Imagine that. When you turned the tap to get water, it would flow just like any other tap. But when you are done and let go, the tap would all close by itself. No more wasting water on the roadsides. Subramania Iyer was so excited about this idea that he even made a special place to build these magical taps. But building things was not very easy. There were challenges that came in the way. In his land, there were some problems with people who worked in factories, and this made it very hard for Subramania Iyer to keep making the taps. So he moved to another town called Coimbatore. Guess what happened next? The Jaison Water Tap became a superstar. It wasn't just popular in India, but it traveled to faraway lands like Nepal, Sri Lanka, Bhutan, and even places as far as Europe and Japan. Imagine people in those lands using the same tap that Subramania Iyer invented. There was even a company from Germany called Hydroplan that loved the tap so much that they wanted to share it with the whole world. They made sure the tap reached places where people had never heard of Subramania Iyer's land. They were like the magical messengers of the tap. The Indian railways till recently were using the Jaison water taps. Yes, the story of the Jaison Water Tap represents an example of industrial innovation. Industrial innovation refers to the process of introducing new and improved products, processes, or technologies that bring significant changes in industries, manufacturing, and commercial activities. It involves finding creative solutions to problems and challenges within the society or industry, often leading to increased efficiency, productivity, and positive impacts on the society. In essence, the Jaison Water Tap is an example of industrial innovation because it demonstrates identifying a problem, devising a novel creative solution, implementing that solution through manufacturing and distribution, and ultimately making a positive impact on the industry and society. And so, the tale of the Jaison Water Tap, like a novel invention which would close itself and save water. It is like a hero tap that traveled across the world, making sure that water did not go to waste. Subramania Iyer, the insurance officer, became a hero too. A hero who saw a problem and found a magical solution. Just like that, he showed us that with a bit of creativity and a heart full of determination, anyone can make a big difference in the world, no matter who they are.
You are watching HTech Tutorials. For more educational content, like, share and subscribe.